How to backup and restore your 2FA accounts with Polygon Mainnet in Shield app. You can choose Backup or Restore option for your 2FA accounts. Let's start with Backup option. Choose Polygon Mainnet option from Data Backup tab. To enable your Polygon Mainnet feature, you need to pay $10 equivalent Matic token fee for lifetime subscription. Read important note carefully. Check the box to agree that you have read all the above. Note carefully. Click the Send button. Confirm to continue transaction process. Matic will be deducted from your account successfully. Now, you are able to use Polygon Mainnet feature. You can choose any of the encryption tier as strong security reasons. Choose accounts what you want to back up on Polygon Mainnet and click on Backup button. Confirm to continue backup process on Polygon Mainnet. Congrats, your accounts are now back up on Polygon Mainnet with multi-tier encryption hash. Now, let's start with Restore option. Choose Polygon Mainnet option from Data Restore tab. All of your backup points will be restored from Live Polygon Mainnet to your device. Choose Backups what you want to restore on your device. Click on Restore button. All of your backup points will be decrypted using multi-tier decryption hash. Then alert will be displayed for any duplication or failure process during restore process. Congrats, your accounts are now restored from Polygon Mainnet with multi-tier decryption hash.